Hey you guys, it's Julie. I'm in Maldives, one of my favorite places to visit in the whole world. I wanted to create a video so you can see what it's like to be here, to get here on the airplane, what the seaplane is like, what the people are like. It's one of my favorite places because they really make you feel like family right away. And the water is a color blue I've never seen before in my entire life. It's just heaven on earth. So I hope that you'll come with me and check out this video, and maybe one day you'll come here on your own. So let's go! So I'm here in the Maldives at Finolhu, this really amazingly beautiful resort, and I want to take you on a little trip. So this is where Mission Control is. It's kind of where we check in, we get our photos scheduled, and you're probably also looking at this gorgeous pink bus that I'm just totally obsessed with. This is where we come in on the dock actually, and also where the dive center is. This is the dive center, and this is the jetty that takes you to the main island. So I wanted to show you our room. It's so beautiful. This is a one bedroom. So the best thing about this is obviously the view, and this view absolutely cannot be beat. Here's our infinity pool, and the sun goes down right about there, so we watch it here every night. It's different every single night, which is so crazy. One night it looked like lilac cotton candy. It was so cool, so gorgeous. We have two chairs. We have a good bit of sun at the moment. And coming down, this is my favorite thing because I'm a total water baby. This goes directly into the lagoon. And this is the first of 3 showers. Check out this bathtub, you guys. So cool, and you can have a bath while you're staring out into the blue ocean. And then another favorite feature, this is my favorite shower. Anytime I'm traveling that has an outdoor shower, I always use exclusively that. This is the walk that we take to get to the main place where all of the pool and the restaurants are. This is a little bus stop. You can walk, and or you can wait here, and they have a little buggy that'll come pick you up. One thing that I really love about this resort is how many day beds there are. Usually I feel like there's like 4 or 5 and you have to pay extra for them, but look at all these day beds and hammocks, which is like my favorite thing in the whole wide world. Right now it's about 11 a.m. and people are still kind of making their way from breakfast. As you can see, it's not really crowded, which I just love. I'm about to make a home right here. This is the main pool. And here's the entrance to the spa. I'm obsessed with this rug and how beautiful it is. This is where the magic happens. This is where the manis and petties take place. Check out the view from the spa. It's absolutely stunning. And this is my favorite part. These are the treatment rooms. And they are all named after female icons of the 60s and 70s musicians. Wait until you guys see how beautiful this buffet is. Everything is so detailed. There is sashimi today. My favorite thing. Look how beautiful. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that I've inspired you to come travel to Maldives. Be sure to leave me a thumbs up, subscribe at the bottom, and also leave a comment to tell me where you want me to go next, and maybe I'll go. Let's do this again soon. Bye! Julie off duty. See ya!